Yeah, I get that question very often. If I'm so successful, why I still do training and things like that. I think the context really is about when you see something that can benefit yourself, you want to go beyond yourself. You don't want to just take care of your own self. So the reason why I continue to do education is because I want to leave something behind. That at the end of the day, when I do education, I do weekly webinars for my graduates. We build a community together, and I can see the positive effect. After a certain number of years, you can see that people are benefiting from the community. So that is what I want to leave behind at the end of the day. Not just about the dollars and cents, because I know that at the end of the day, everybody will leave here with nothing. So what you want to do while you are here, I think building a community, changing people's lives through investing, through trading is something that is very impactful. Okay, the reason why I go into education is because there are two groups of people. The one group of people who are very, very risk averse. They leave the money in the bank. They think the stock market is a scam. They think everything is a scam and they don't invest. The challenge with that is if you don't invest, you are letting your money depreciate every year. Your money is getting less and less valuable every year. And then the other group of people is people who go into the market and then they just increase their risk and overtrade and lose all the money that they have. So I want to be that bridge, that share with people that you need to invest your money, but you can invest it wisely, safely, and profitably. So I hope that in Singapore, in the region, everyone will have someone in the family that's responsible for this role. The question is, how do I see myself playing a part in making this vision a reality? I believe that I cannot do it on my own because I can only do so much. I can only tell people about this so much. So that's the reason why I wanted to build a community, because a community, if you benefit from the community, you will be able to share with others how this community benefit you. So it's from how I want to grow this is helping one person at a time, So if that one person becomes successful, help the next person. And that's how our community grows. The second thing I discovered is how to build a community is not just a 3 days training, because you can never teach a trader in 3 days. How you build a successful trader is you need to have regular, every week, same time, same place, communicate, share with the person how to trade over and over again. It's just like our children. We tell them to do this, they will never, in the first instance, do exactly what you tell them to. But if you do it over and over again, if you demonstrate to them the right example, over time they will pick up the habit and become a successful trader. We have done this more than 15-16 years. Currently, we have about over 1,000 of people that are in the community. On a weekly basis, we have about 500 to 1,000 people attending our weekly webinars. So if you want to have more resources of training, more support, you can go to my Facebook group. There is about 28,000 people right now in the group, and it's called Collin Seow Profitable Trading in Singapore and Malaysia. You can just search it or maybe click on the link below to join the group. In the group, I will do maybe every 2 weeks, I will do a public webinar to share with them the market outlook, what are the stocks to look out for, and you all can have the opportunity to ask even your stocks what to do with your stocks right now. Thank you so much, and I see you in the group. Hi everyone, if you are new to my channel, my name is Collin Seow, a certified financial technician and a chartered portfolio manager. I also educate people about the stock market. So if you want to find out more about the stock market or what the market is doing right now, do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you at the next video.
Hope you liked the video. If you're interested in finding out more about using the systematic trading system, which I and 5,000 students use to create generational wealth from trading, click on the first link below to join our live web class to learn more.